It's been almost 5 months since Eric Adams became the first sitting mayor in modern New York City history to be federally indicted. On Thursday, that case was put on hold indefinitely, with an asterisk, by President Donald Trump's Justice Department. Quote, "You are directed, as authorized by the Attorney General, to dismiss the pending charges in United States v. Adams as soon as is practicable." Mayor Adams wasting no time Tuesday to take a victory lap.
So let me be clear. I never ask anyone to break the law on my behalf or on behalf of my campaign. Never. And I absolutely never traded my power as an elected official for any personal benefit.
The Justice Department memo, dated Monday, comes on the heels of a multi-layered and complicated case and politically infused series of developments underscoring, for starters, President Trump's continued disdain for his predecessor, Democratic President Joe Biden, and those affiliated with his administration, and President Trump's willingness to use his levers of power for his various means.
We can't have a mayor who bends the knee when this president harms New Yorkers. That's why I've long been calling on Eric Adams to resign.
Reaction was swift among both the mayor's political opponents and supporters. The Reverend Al Sharpton, one of his longtime supporters, released a statement which reads in part, quote, "I am concerned about last night's developments, particularly that this directive says the mayor should not go to trial so he can work on President Trump's policies on immigration and crime." He goes on to write, quote, "My greater concern is with the stranglehold Donald Trump has already put on the Justice Department. I have supported the mayor, but he has been put in an unfair position, even for him, of essentially political blackmail. They're talking to New Yorkers as if we have no sense of a game being played, when we have the ability to spot one before it even starts." About that asterisk, the memo goes on to say the case against Adams should be dismissed, quote, "without prejudice," which leaves the door open to these same charges being filed in the future against Mayor Adams if the U.S. Attorney's Office or President Trump chooses. And if the mayor agrees not to recover legal fees, and with the understanding that the case will be reviewed by the U.S. Attorney's Office after this fall's mayoral election. Of course, in the world of politics, there's the memo's explanation, and then there's the big picture reality of this situation. On paper, the Justice Department memo states dropping the case is necessary because pretrial publicity, along with the timing of the charges, filed by the former U.S. Attorney Damian Williams, threatened the integrity of the proceedings, potentially tainted the Adams jury pool, improperly interfered with Adams' re-election campaign, and the pending prosecution has, quote, "unduly restricted Adams' ability to fully focus on Trump's plan to crack down on, quote, illegal immigration."